Hey, filmmakers, I'm Gavin Seal, an award winning writer director. And in today's world, I don't believe any filmmaker in Canada can really make it by just being a writer director. You'll never survive. Everyone has to also learn to be a producer. As Mark Duplass said, the cavalry's not coming. And that's the same in the US as it is in Canada, but with some nuances. So I want to help you become the cavalry here. I've been teaching entrepreneurial literacy for filmmakers at institutions across the country, like the National Screen Institute, Canadian Heritage, and SODEC here in Quebec. And I'd love to help you go from being an aspiring filmmaker or part-time filmmaker to a full-time filmmaker here too. For context, I've received grants from pretty much every arts organization across the country, from Canada Council and SODEC to Telefilm and Canada Media Fund. I've sold all three of my short films internationally to CBC and my latest to Alaska Airlines and other distributors in the US. I'm currently writing my first feature film with CMF funding, and yes, of course, I'm also an executive producer on that film. What I want to do with this channel is help you develop that same entrepreneurial literacy so you too can become your own producer and make the leap to full-time filmmaking. If this sounds like something you're interested in, check out the videos, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what specific challenges you're facing. The cavalry isn't coming, but it's okay, because you can become the cavalry too.